Social distancing measures to be relaxed from Friday, allowing groups of 4 in public and at restaurants. Government considers travel bubble agreements with 11 countries. And democracy activist Keina Chiu charged with sedition.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the main news. Social distancing measures are being relaxed starting Friday amid the falling number of COVID-19 infections.
More businesses will be allowed to open up, while gatherings of up to 4 people will be permitted. Here's Keina Chiu.
With the continuing decline of coronavirus cases, Hong Kong is inching closer to normalcy by allowing the resumption of more social and economic activities.
We reckon there is still silent chains of infection in the community because of these unlinked cases. So we have adopted a more sophisticated and also refined approach that we continue to assess the situation sort of like every 7 days instead of 14 days.
Under relaxed social distancing rules starting Friday, restaurants will be allowed to seat a maximum of 4 people per table, up from 2 currently permitted. Various recreation venues such as game centers, mahjong parlors, and sports premises can return to business as well. That's in addition to performance venues, although their usage will be confined to rehearsals only. Also point to reopen are ice skating rinks, where group practices must adhere to the 4 people gathering limit. With an exception to the science and space museums, 14 public libraries, museums, and cultural facilities will be accessible again next week. The government says a further lifting of measures can be expected if the virus situation improves a week following the implementation of the latest regulations. This means suspended businesses like saunas, karaoke parlors, party rooms, and nightclubs could resume operations on September 18th at the earliest. The same goes for the city's 2 theme parks and convention and exhibition center.
In considering the factors of who comes first and what is the priority, not only are we considering the epidemic situation, we are also considering the necessity of the activity, as well as whether they are essential to daily lives.
Until further notice, people will continue to be required to wear face masks on public transport and at designated public areas. Keina Chiu, TVB News.